Eating raw garlic every day can have several positive effects on your health due to its powerful compounds like allicin, but there are also some considerations to keep in mind. Follow along as I take on the challenge of adding garlic to my daily routine for a week to see if it truly delivers on its promise of 11 incredible health benefits. Did you know that garlic has been used as medicine for over 5,000 years? Ancient Egyptians revered it for its ability to boost strength and endurance, and modern studies show garlic can reduce the risk of heart disease by up to 25% when consumed regularly. During World War I, garlic was used as a natural antibiotic to treat wounds and prevent infections. Its potent antimicrobial properties were a lifesaver long before modern medicine. Garlic is a staple in kitchens around the world, known for its bold flavor and aroma. But beyond its role in cooking, this humble ingredient hides a treasure trove of powerful health benefits, from boosting immunity to supporting heart health, that might just surprise you. Many people believe garlic is just a seasoning, overlooking its significant health benefits. A common misconception is that garlic must be consumed in large quantities to make a difference, but even small amounts can support heart health and immunity. Others think cooked garlic loses its health properties, yet it retains many benefits, especially when lightly cooked. Don't let these myths keep you from harnessing garlic's full potential. Eleven amazing health benefits of garlic. 1. Boost immunity. Garlic is packed with antioxidants and compounds like allicin, which enhance the immune system. Studies show that garlic can reduce the frequency and severity of colds and flu by up to 63%. Incorporating raw garlic into meals during flu season can help ward off infections. 2. Lowers blood pressure. One of the most surprising and impactful health benefits of garlic is its ability to lower blood pressure naturally. For many, high blood pressure is a silent yet serious condition that can lead to heart disease and stroke. Garlic has been shown to reduce blood pressure as effectively as some prescription medications, without the side effects. By simply incorporating a few cloves of garlic into your daily meals, you could significantly improve your heart health and potentially lower your risk of cardiovascular disease. This easy, natural addition to your diet could be a game changer for your overall well-being. Consuming 2 cloves of garlic daily has shown significant results in managing hypertension. 3. Supports heart health. Garlic reduces LDL, bad cholesterol, raises HDL, good cholesterol, and prevents plaque buildup in arteries, lowering the risk of heart disease. Regular garlic consumption is linked to a 25% lower risk of cardiovascular events. 4. Improves cholesterol levels. Studies suggest that garlic can reduce total cholesterol by up to 10 to 15%, especially beneficial for those with high cholesterol. Adding garlic to meals or using garlic supplements can complement a cholesterol-lowering diet. 5. Aids detoxification. Garlic enhances liver function by helping the body flush out toxins and heavy metals. Sulfur compounds in garlic protect organs from damage caused by toxins. Garlic supplements have been shown to reduce lead toxicity by 19% in workers exposed to heavy metals. 6. Fights cancer cells. Garlic contains compounds like diallyl sulfide and selenium that may inhibit cancer cell growth, particularly in stomach, colon, and prostate cancers. Regular garlic eaters have a 30% lower risk of stomach cancer compared to non-consumers. 7. Reduces inflammation. Garlic's antioxidants and sulfur compounds help reduce inflammation, benefiting conditions like arthritis and asthma. Applying garlic oil topically may alleviate joint pain in arthritis sufferers. 8. Enhances respiratory health. Garlic's antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties can help clear respiratory infections, reduce symptoms of asthma, and improve lung function. Drinking garlic tea is a traditional remedy for colds and respiratory congestion. 9. Regulates blood sugar levels. Garlic has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower fasting blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. Consuming garlic regularly can be a natural addition to diabetes management. 10. Improves bone health. Garlic boosts estrogen levels in women, which may help reduce bone loss and improve bone density. It also contains nutrients like calcium and manganese that support skeletal health. Postmenopausal women consuming garlic have shown improved markers of bone health. 11. Boosts digestive health. Garlic promotes the growth of healthy gut bacteria while reducing harmful pathogens, supporting a balanced microbiome. Adding garlic to your diet can enhance digestion and prevent bloating. Incorporating garlic into your daily diet can have a profound impact on your health. From boosting immunity and fighting infections to lowering blood pressure and improving heart health, garlic is a powerful, natural ally. By making garlic a regular part of your meals, you're unlocking a wealth of health benefits that can significantly improve your life. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Also, share it with others who might benefit. Healthy diet for healthy pulse.